Patrick, what can you tell us about being a young guy?
You know, I feel that I'm a beast, and that, growing up, not many people are as gifted as I am, just...
Gifted in what areas?
Everything. I'm smart, I'm good at sports, I'm an absolute beast.
Okay, you keep calling yourself a beast. What the shit are you talking about?
I'm a machine, pretty much, I gotta sneeze.
Yeah, give it to us on camera if you could. Uh-oh, something's going on.
Mainly, a machine just means that I never stop going, and I'm just always the best, always, all the time.
Thanks so much.